Hello everyone, welcome to another video. After long searches I managed to find a set of side skirts for the Astra, and today I'll show you how to fit them. First things first, I have to get them prepped for paint. I've cleaned them first and now I'll start sanding them. I scuffed them with the sander, and now I'll use a sanding pad for the hard to reach places. These are OEM side skirts, so from factory they would have come fitted like this with these brackets. This bracket here would have been holding by a clip like this one, and they have four: one here, 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 and another one there. One clip would be here on this end cap, and as you can see they were tiger sealed as well. Unfortunately I have just this bracket, so I would need 8. So I decided to drill some extra holes here, one here, and 2 more at the end. And I'll be using these nuts and bolts. I know it's not the best solution, but I don't have any other choice. After sanding, I need to degrease the parts to prep them for painting. I'll be using some white spirit. Because the side skirts are made out of plastic, it's recommended to use some plastic primer to prevent peeling the paint later. After allowing to dry the plastic primer, 1 or 2 coats of gray primer. After primer, I'll apply 2 coats of paint. Now last, I'll apply 2 coats of lacquer. After more than a month of waiting, after I finished painting the side skirts, the weather is nice enough to finally install them. So I'll start with this end cap. It just slides. And I put this push pin here. At the beginning of the video, I was saying that I'm going to drill some holes into the seal of the car and put some screws into these holes. How I drilled them. But the metal is way too thick there and it's taking too long, so I decided to go for some strong adhesive. So I'll be using this. You can use tiger seal as well probably. So I'm going to put a bead of adhesive where it's here, where it shows, and then I'm gonna clamp them to the car. One side skirt is done. As you can see, I used 2 clamps at the end to hold them in place. I should have put some tape before to protect the paint, but I've done after. I wiped the excess adhesive before it dries, and I taped it over the side skirt to hold it in place. I'm gonna do the other side as well, so I'm gonna leave it for at least 24 hours. And today is gonna be like 22 degrees, so it should be all good. So I've done this side too. I've added just tape because at the end there I could not put a clamp. Now I'm gonna leave them with the tape and the clamps to sit until evening. After, I'll remove the clamps and leave just the tape, and we'll see how they hold on. From the previous video with the roof spoiler install, I was saying that I'm gonna have to clamp it and add some sealant as well to the roof spoiler. So I took the opportunity to do it now. So I added a bit of sealant to the end on both sides. And now I'm gonna clamp it. Someone in the comments was saying, how do I clamp them? So this is how I did. Added the sealant. This side as well. Gonna let it sit till evening like this. After that I'm gonna remove the clamps because obviously I'm gonna have to close the boot. This is a side view of the roof spoiler for someone that was asking in the comments. This is how it looks with the tape removed and the jack stand caps put on. I'm happy how it turned up. I'll wait for next week to install the rest of the body kit and have the complete body kit. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and see you on the next one.